Westminster Dog Show, William Bells, Bond and Billy Circus. Now listen, you see that flag called the Free Flag Pose? You see the eagle in front? Do you see him? See that eagle? They know that they rescued 4 eagles like that when they tore down Penn Station. Do you know that 2 of the eagles sit in front of the garden now? The other one is on the other side of the basketball by the other Free Flag Pose. Now listen, do you know that this is the 4th site of Madison Square Garden? And I'm going to tell you about the 3rd site because that's the hottest. That's where Marilyn Monroe sang Happy Birthday to John F. Kennedy. Now you want to see that site, don't you? I'm going to show it to you because it's still hot. Now by the way, do you know what they want to do? You see, Penn Station used to be a block away where the post office is now, but they tore it down. But the post office is there. Now Penn Station operates from the garden. You know what they want to do? They want to move it back to the old site. They're going to put it in the post office. Now the post office kind of looks like a railroad station anyway. Now it's going to be easy to move it back. Do you know why? The trains still run underneath the post office to be stored in the rail yards 3 more blocks west. That's why it's easy to put it back. Now they're going to give it a